What if I told you that the strength of your handshake could predict how long you'll live? That a simple squeeze done right now, at home, might reveal the true condition of your heart, your brain, and even how fast your body is aging. No needles, no doctor's visit, no $300 smartwatch, just a tennis ball and 30 seconds. Sound crazy? Stick around. Because what you're about to learn could change how you look at your health forever. What if I told you that the strength of your handshake could predict how long you'll live? That a simple squeeze done right now, at home, might reveal the true condition of your heart, your brain, and even how fast your body is aging. No needles, no doctor's visit, no $300 smartwatch, just a tennis ball and 30 seconds. Sound crazy? Stick around. Because what you're about to learn could change how you look at your health forever. So how do you perform this life-altering test? It's called the squeeze test, and here's how you do it. Sit in a chair. Grab a tennis ball or any soft object. Now, squeeze as hard as you can and start counting. Can you hold that full force grip for 15, 20, maybe even 30 seconds? If so, that's a good sign. But if your hand starts trembling or your fingers give out early, it might be time to pay attention. Here's what doctors and scientists are now uncovering. Your hand strength isn't just about muscles. It's a direct signal of how your nervous system, heart, and DNA are functioning. Grip strength correlates with longevity, brain performance, risk of stroke, even depression and sleep quality. A weak grip? That might mean early cognitive decline is on the horizon. A strong one? Your biological clock may be ticking slower than your actual age. A 2022 study looked at over 1,200 adults. Those with lower grip strength, they showed accelerated aging at the DNA level. We're talking about actual biological decay, measured by DNA methylation. Another study found grip strength was a better predictor of cardiovascular mortality than cholesterol levels. This isn't theory, it's medical fact. Here's what doctors notice before patients ever get diagnosed. A soft handshake. Fingers that can't wrap around properly. Trembling grips. These are silent red flags of sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and even dementia. The earlier you detect it, the better your chance of reversing the trend. Want to build your grip and reverse the warning signs? Here are 3 science-backed exercises. Farmer's carry. Grab 2 heavy kettlebells and walk 20 meters. Zottman curls. Twist while curling dumbbells to fire up both grip and forearm. Dead hang. Hang from a bar with straight arms. Try to hold for 30+ seconds. Do these 2 to 3 times a week, and your grip will come roaring back, taking your health with it. Meet James, 55, software engineer, no gym, no smartwatch. He started doing the squeeze test weekly, tracking progress in a notebook. Within 3 months, stronger grip, better sleep, and blood pressure improved. His doctor was stunned. His biological age dropped by 7 years. So here's your mission. Perform the grip test today. Track your time, then test weekly. Add the 3 grip exercises to your weekly routine. Watch how your body and future transforms. The strongest version of your life starts in your palm. You don't need a gym, just commitment. Visual prompt. Step-by-step checklist overlay. Inspiring montage of men and women of all ages doing grip tests. Motivational background music kicks in. This isn't just a test, it's a mirror. A mirror showing you where your health is headed. But the best part? You're still in control. So ask yourself, how strong is your future? Try the test. Comment your results. Subscribe for more life-changing health hacks. And don't forget, sometimes your strongest muscle is your grip on reality. Darling, please subscribe with love. Thanks.